What's up, everybody? Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I have a small job today in my neighborhood, a driveway, sidewalks, front porch, and back patio. Well, I wouldn't say small job, medium-sized job. And so I'm taking the trailer with me today just in case I need to use the hot water pressure washer back here. You know, I got all my hoses, my big guy surface cleaner. But today, I'm going to be working off my buffer tank here. Holds 125 gallons. That way I don't have to worry about getting all my hoses out, connecting to their water. And it just seems to go faster. It should be enough water to finish the driveway at least. And then for the back, I'll just probably hook up to their water. It's just to save some time. I can get there, apply my chemicals, and then just hook up my pressure washer to the buffer tank and get to work. So, but I made an upgrade to my soft wash system. Show you guys, I added this green hose here, another 50 feet. This soft wash system comes with 100 foot of hose, but I went ahead and made a splice and added another 100 feet, and I added a quick connect for the simple reason I want the capability of putting a ball valve on here if I needed to, you know. So I have the small gun there and a ball valve, and I can just take everything off, and it's easy to roll up this hose, and I get to keep everything in the back of my truck. So this should be able to reach around the house for the most part. So, and if I can't reach it, the back patio with this, I'll just use my backpack sprayer. It's got a little bit of chemicals in there already, so I can just grab that real quick and go spray. Most patios aren't very big, so that's what I'm doing today, and I'll be sure to take a video of the work I'm doing, some before and afters. So stay tuned and enjoy. What's up, everybody? I'm at the job. I don't know if you've ever been to Oklahoma, but it's super windy here all the time. But here's the driveway. It's really not that dirty. I believe that's an oil stain you wanted me to get up. There's some spray paint. And then a back patio I'll be cleaning once I'm finished up here. So, but yeah, step one, I've already spoke to the customer, let them know I'm here, did a little brief walk through, making sure we're on the same page. Next step, applying chemicals. I'm about to apply my chemicals. I went ahead and filled up my soft wash system halfway. It shouldn't take a whole lot. I had to use my green hose, which I applied yesterday. Nice little feature. I'm able to reach all the driveway, the sidewalk, and the front porch. I usually like to tackle my tough stains first, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this grease stain. I got a little degreaser here. Actually, one of my customers sells chemicals, and he gave me some samples, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. So I'm just gonna pour that on there and let it settle for a little bit, and while that's settling in, I'm gonna go ahead and apply chemicals to the rest of the driveway. Go ahead and put that back in there. Turn on my soft wash system. Grab my J-rod here. I'm gonna put on the spray option or the fan. Hold on, let me do this for you guys. Like that. All right. I'll just apply. Pretty simple process. So I have some sodium hypochlorite mixed with Dawn dish soap, and I mentioned some oil stains, so I went ahead and threw some degreaser in there. And once I finish this, I'll let it settle for about 15 minutes, and I'll set everything up sure you get chemicals applied very well. With concrete, you want to rely on both chemicals and your pressure washer. So, and the pressure washer I'm using today is 4,200 psi, 4 gallons per minute. Which is this, working off my buffer tank, and then I'll be using my 28-inch big guy surface cleaner. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish applying these chemicals. See, it's been maybe 2 minutes and I've already covered that much ground. Alright guys, view from the back of the truck. Got the big guy surface cleaner ready. Chemicals applied. Now it's time to surface clean. Got the buffer tank hooked up to the power washer. Time to rock and roll. Spray paint gone. Oil stain gone. Alright guys, I'm sure y'all can see the difference here. Like I said, this driveway wasn't really dirty. There was just some certain oil stains and paint stains. The paint came up. I'll probably go ahead and get that for him. So, but I'll finish this up and catch back with y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I've done all the surface cleaning. Everything cleaned up really well. Hard to tell because it's wet, but I'm spraying off now. And I'll always just try to emphasize to you guys, always spray everything, try to figure out where there's a slope and where the closest drain is and kind of push all the dirt that way. You don't want to leave dirt, you know, all in the road right there. It leaves another eyesore. So try to push your mess, all your dirt down to the drain. It may take a little more time, but you want your work to look good. So I'm using a turbo nozzle to do that right now, and I'm just kind of go ahead and hit these curbs for them a little bit and then drain right down here. Just go ahead and hit that for them. That way it's a uniform clean rather than just the driveway. You know, it makes your work look even better. So just a little advice. Guys, I'm finished with the front. Now I'm about to clean this back patio. I grabbed the backpack sprayer. As you can tell, there's not a lot of surface area, so I can hit this real quick with my backpack sprayer and then come clean it. So tell it's pretty dirty. There's a lot of green right in here, and I have this citrus stuff that smells really good, and people selling patios, so make it smell a little good back here too for them. So here's some befores. I'll show y'all what it looks like when I finish. All right, I'm finished, guys. I'll show you the end results. Things are still kind of drying here. Everything cleaned up great. Got all the algae up, mildew, steps cleaned up great. The customer's really happy. Go to the front. man, in the spring and winter, it takes forever for things to dry. Just landed another job just a second ago. Pretty pumped about that. All right, here's the driveway. Turned out really good. Customer is super happy. Well, I am finished, headed home. Customer is super happy. So I was there about an hour and a half. Cleaned the driveway, sidewalks, front porch, back patio. That includes applying chemicals, surface cleaning, spraying off, and then a post treatment. So, and I even sat there for a little while to let things dry so I could get some good after pictures. So yeah, I mean, did all that in about an hour and a half. So customer's going to give me a shout out on our Facebook page, our neighborhood page, and usually from that I usually get 2 or 3 more jobs. So interested to see how that happens. So, and out of those 2 or 3 jobs, usually, you know, one, if not all of them, will give me a review, and then I get some more jobs. So yeah, word of mouth, man, is key. Making your customers happy is key, and yeah, that's what it's all about. So good day. It's Saturday. I'll be home by 11:05, then have the rest of the day to spend with the family, so and get ready for next week. And as I was cleaning, a lady in my neighborhood reached out to me and asked me to give her a quote for her driveway, pretty much the same exact job I just did, and I got that job. So I'll be setting that up for next week. So things are going well. Thanks for watching this video, and like, subscribe, and hope y'all have a good weekend.